lied when I said I wasn't falling. Had my walls up, couldn't let you get inside. But my safety net's gone and now I'm all in. And I'm scared that one day you might change your mind. And I don't know why it don't feel right. Oh, why is it so hard for me to let you in? Give you the key to get inside my head. I don't wanna make the same mistakes again, 'cause I know how this could end. And they always say that I did nothing wrong, but every time that they leave, feel like it's all my fault. Am I letting go when I need to hold on? This is always how it ends. You know I've been hurt by others before you, so I'm sorry if I shut you out before you get the chance to leave me all a mess. And I don't know why it don't feel right. And I don't know why I can't decide. Oh, why is it so hard for me to let you in? Give you the key to get inside my head. I don't wanna make the same mistakes again, 'cause I know how this could end. And they always say that I did nothing wrong, but every time that they leave, feel like it's all my fault. Am I letting go when I need to hold on? This is always how it ends. And I let my guard down, you let me down. I get hurt now, and then it happens all again. I open up, it's just bad luck. Only ends up with me left alone, and I let my guard down, you let me down. I get hurt now, and then it happens all again. I open up, it's just bad luck. Only ends up with me left alone again. Again, left alone again. This is always how it